Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change Gmail password if forgotten. Open up Gmail app on your phone. Choose Google in the Add account. Then click to continue sign in with Google. Enter your email or phone number, then press Next. Now from the Enter Your Password page, click on the Try Another Way option. Choose to enter password to sign in. Then click on Try Other Way. Keep doing this until email is sent to you with a verification code to make sure it's you. Then click on Try Other Way. Now you can click on Get a Verification Code. Then click on the I don't have my phone option. You can see Google sent a link to your Gmail. Open the mail to verify that it's you. Then open up your Gmail, click to open the link. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.